Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to activate the auto correction in this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find additional settings. And here let's tap on languages and input. Now let's find manage keyboards and tap on G keyboard settings. And as you can see here, we've got the text correction, so let's tap on it. And the actual autocorrection option is right here. So if you want to correct words while typing, then tap on the switcher here to turn it on. And from now on, your device will correct words you're typing. And what's more, here we've got some options to customize. We can also block offensive words or show emoji suggestions. It's up to you how you want to set it. So that's all. This is how to activate autocorrection in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.